Knowing when and how to thin sunflower seedlings is so important for their overall health and success. Thinning sunflower seedlings produces healthier plants and higher yields by reducing competition for water and nutrients and providing good air circulation between plants. The seedlings are usually thinned once they have 1 to 2 sets of leaves. Most will be 2 to 3 inches tall by then, making them easy enough to thin. Sunflower seedlings can be easily plucked with your hands, simply by gripping them between thumb and forefinger and tugging. This is easiest when the soil is moist and pliable. But I prefer to avoid disturbing the soil by pulling out seedlings, so I use scissors to cut off the unwanted seedlings at ground level. Always allow the seedlings to grow to a height of 3 inches, about 75 millimeters. Don't thin them before they reach this minimum height. You can thin the seedlings down to 1 plant per pot by cutting off weaker plants with a pair of shears, or a pair of scissors. Thinning can disturb the soil, so it's best to lightly mist the remaining seedlings after thinning. This will help to rejuvenate the plants. Finally, some people find it difficult to sacrifice so many seedlings. The good news is some seedlings, including lettuce, beets, and spinach, and much more, can be harvested and tossed into salads or other recipes at any time, so all is not lost. Happy gardening!